Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVAX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis in the past, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. Although I was not around last week, was doing some traveling, so definitely some updates here need to be made as the prices since continue to just uptrend very nicely. And a lot of updates here need to be done. So what I'm going to do is, yes, these lines down here still do pertain, but they're not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's just try to keep this as straightforward as possible. Initial area of resistance is just simply where the party stopped today. So that's right up there around $2.20. So 220, current level of resistance to keep an eye on going forward. One of the newest areas of support and what I would consider the ideal level of support is right up here at $2.10. Ideal meaning if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest? If the price can stay above 210, that would accomplish that. However, if the price falls below it, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the bulls can somehow manage to stay and keep the price up above 210, that would be a huge sign of power on the bulls' part. Next level of support after that is that previous breakout point right there at about $1.98. So near term 210 and $1.98. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things. So this assumes that you care more so about a longer time horizon, but that's where the purple line comes into play. The 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. And from a very just basic and straightforward way, if you're saying, Clay, look, I just care about the big picture. How do I gauge the health of the move? This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Easiest way to gauge the health, watch the purple line. As long as the purple line stays above that green, stays above the purple line, then the bulls are in full health. The bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. So at the end of the day, it's really all about just keep on doing what it's been doing. And what has it been doing? Well, it's been doing this. It's been building higher bases. And as long as these higher bases continue to happen, then these stair steps here will continue to build and everything else will take care of itself. So build those higher lows and then just sit back and let the chart do its thing.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.